New tonight as we come on the air with our live broadcast at 10 o'clock, NBC Montana is digging through legal cases across the country regarding exposure to dangerous levels of asbestos. Some say the origin is talc from a mine right here in Montana. Now, a U.S. bankruptcy court judge in Texas is asking a district court to rule on whether talc sold by Barretts Minerals contained enough asbestos to cause disease. Investigative reporter Bowen West breaks down the details.
The defunct Barretts Minerals, now known as Barretts Minerals OldCo Inc, filed Chapter 11 bankruptcy to resolve current and future asbestos-related claims. Not just for itself, but also its parent companies, Specialty Minerals Incorporated and New York-based Minerals Technologies Incorporated. According to their 2024 report, the companies received over $2 billion in sales.
Which is a $2 billion company that can easily and fairly compensate the victims of their negligence, but they don't want to. They'd rather abuse the bankruptcy system.
Clay Thompson represents clients across the nation seeking damages after being diagnosed with a rare cancer known as mesothelioma. They claim it was caused by talc from Barretts Minerals, mined in Dillon, Montana. A statement from Minerals Technologies Incorporated Chairman Douglas Dietrich says lawsuits against BMI OldCo are meritless and talc the company sold has always been safe. A spokesperson for BMI OldCo sent a statement to NBC Montana which said, quote, "BMI OldCo stands by the safety of our talc. Our goals have always been to achieve a consensual resolution of the company's talc-related liabilities that is fair and certain for all stakeholders, including claimants, and to maximize BMI OldCo's assets, including claims. We remain committed to those goals." This April, a Texas judge said the company could continue filing its Chapter 11 case despite claims Barretts is using bankruptcy protections to shield its parent companies. According to legal documents I found, Barretts Ventures Texas LLC owns land in Texas and receives money from several businesses on the property. That's how they were able to file in the Lone Star State.
Barretts and MTI and SMI want to avoid that. They want to avoid state law, not just in Montana, but in New York and Pennsylvania and everywhere else. And they want one bankruptcy court in the Southern District of Texas to decide for all time what they are obligated to compensate people.
As for the mine near Dillon, in 2024, private equity firm Riverspan Partners purchased the mine and the supplies. Starting this year, the company now goes as High Divide Minerals. I requested an interview with the new group to get information on their mine operations. They declined my phone calls. NBC Montana visited the plant and were denied an in-person interview. I would learn that the company is prohibited from commenting on pre-transaction operations. High Divide Minerals general manager sent a statement. Josh Reagan said High Divide's acquisition marked a new chapter for the mine, going on to say they're tracking the bankruptcy proceedings and will focus on adding new employees, prioritizing investments, and upholding the values of safety, environmental stewardship.
We objected to the sale because it's an asbestos mine, essentially, and they're taking this poison out of the ground even now and selling it.
Thompson told me lawyers for the claimants are trying to appeal the ruling for Chapter 11.
MTI and SMI marketed this talc, they sold it, they trademarked it, and they're trying to use BMI as their stooge to get bankruptcy protection for themselves when they're not entitled to it.
I posted some legal documents as well as some additional information in my in-depth article at our homepage on NBCMontana.com. Make sure to visit NBC Montana's YouTube page for my interview with Clay Thompson. Reporting in Barretts, Bowen West, NBC Montana.